Hi there, thanks for checking out my Fiverr gig. My name is Fuad, and I've been a developer since 2016. In this gig, I'll design a beautiful, custom, and mobile responsive WordPress website using Elementor or Elementor Pro. Here's an example of my work. This homepage has a beautiful hero section with a mesmerizing mouse effect, a Lottie file and an on-scroll animation, animated counters, slide-in animations with a call to action button, image carousels, custom JavaScript to control particles, custom CSS to control certain sections on hover, a subscribe form and a footer, blazing fast navigation, a contact page with an FAQ section, a contact form, and a pricing page with a custom pricing table, custom JavaScript to control monthly and annual pricing, and so much more. If this looks interesting to you, please leave me a message, and I look forward to working with you.